Hello guys, so you can see here I am giving the course of 45K in free. So let's understand what is the condition here. So understand this properly. See guys, what I give to my regular batch students under 45K, that is like they will attend the entire regular class. They will attend, they will come live. They will also be getting the recorded lectures whatever they have attended in live class, same thing. They will be having a complete doubt session in class also, in doubt session separate class also, and at personal level calls also, right? Other than that, I'll be giving them all the important and required PDF material like books and formula books and blah blah blah, whatever is required. Okay, previous year notes and all, everything, handwritten notes. And other than that, I provide them revision batches separately, crash course batches separately. Other than that, I provide them a detailed topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise, and full length test series. Number of test series for 2023 batch is going to be 400. In this, you have all types of test series, whatever I have explained here. So, offer is you have, and one more thing, this 400 test series actually completely solved test series. It means when you will take the test series and when you will submit the test series, you will be having detailed solution of every question. And you know what is the more better part in my test series, which is not available in any other coaching center? I will tell you what. Number of test series is 400, and every test series is having detailed solution, and some questions are having video solutions also, and all the test series are error free because I have already cross checked with my students of previous few batches. Okay, now next thing, in my test series, for some tough questions I provide video solutions, and number of video solutions for different questions are being increased. And one more important thing guys, whenever students are purchasing test series from any coaching center, they are not asking that solution is there or not. Some people are making it fake. Some people are simply adding questions from previous year question paper and they are saying that it is their test series. And in my test series of 400, in this 400 test series, I am not including previous year question papers. They are separate. Okay, already previous year question papers are available on YouTube. People are solving. I am also solving. Other coaching centers are also solving. Okay, so you should never purchase that test series where you have previous year question papers. Okay, you should practice updated and fresh test series. You understand, updated and fresh test series, because almost every year you have little bit change in the syllabus, so your test series should be updated anyway. So if you are watching this video for the very first time, then you should know that I have qualified GATE Aerospace 6 times and I am teaching from 8+ years. I have given so many toppers, and if you are very new to my channel, spend few days on my channel and you will come to know about me in detail. If you want to meet, if you want to contact me, this is my WhatsApp number 6380135260. Okay, now next thing, come to the offer point. See here, offer is you only have to pay for the test series amount, and see whatever I was discussing here, all these things you will be getting for 1 month for detailed proper revision. Understand my logic. You will pay 5k rupees. In this 5k rupees, your test series part will be covered. Okay, so the moment you will make the payment, immediately you will be getting the test series will be unlocked for you. Test series will be unlocked for you. Okay, and if you are from different coaching center or if you are preparing by self study, then this test series will help you a lot. Okay, now next part. Once you are making the payment, then this offer says, according to this offer, from 1st December to 31st December, whatever I have explained here, all the PDF, all the videos, all the PDF, all the videos will be given to you for 1 month. That's why it is free. That's why I'm calling this as free. Okay, so from 1 December to 31st December, you can revise all the content whatever I have taught to my regular batch students. I hope you understood. Okay, so under this course all the videos and study material will be given to you for 1 month, and the time duration will be from 1 December to 31st December. After that again you will be remaining with 1 month, right? Because we don't have exam in January, we have exam in February, right? So February. So from 1st Jan to 31st Jan again plus few days in Feb, you will be having days remaining, so you can revise your notes, whatever notes you are making using my videos, right? And using my material. I hope it's clear. I will repeat again. You need to make payment of 5k. You will be getting test series access immediately the moment you are making the payment. Now, this 45k offer, how it works? Whatever content I am delivering here, of course classes will get over, live classes will get over. So everything will be recorded in video format, and all the study material will be there. So those study materials and everything you will be getting on 1st December. So from 1st December to 31st December, you can access them completely and you can revise them in detail completely, because that time you will be having more time to revise. After that, you know what is the advantage of this? If you are doing self-study, then you can immediately cover that portion what you have not touched yet. And best part, you will revise everything in my way, the way I teach my regular batch students. Okay, all done. So that's all. In 1 month you will revise everything in detail. If you have any other confusion, immediately contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, and in CL means concept library, I used to come with these type of offers almost every month. Okay, that's all. If you have not joined any coaching center yet, this offer is best for you. So don't delay, because already days and months are very less. Do it immediately. If you want to know more about whatever courses I am providing, then go to description box or directly contact me. I will give you the important links. There you can go and you can check all the courses. I have 19 plus different programs for GATE Aerospace. Other than these offers I am talking, these offers are seasonal offers. Okay, but other than that I have some pet courses. Those courses you can know, and then you can select any one as per your requirement. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you so much.